Good night, monkey. A bedtime story? What am I, your mother? Oh, very well. Once upon a time, there was a monkey with lousy taste in clothes. He was called Little Red Monkey Hood. One day, he set out for Granny's house with some kind of food, lobster or babaganoush or something. All right, bananas, have it your way. But in the woods, he encountered a terrible, fearsome worm. Bearing his awful fangs, the worm devoured Red Monkey Hood whole.
Excuse me. I don't think I'm supposed to eat him yet. What about the what big teeth you have part?
Right. Okay, you go to the cottage and you keep skipping. So then, blah, 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 some boring stuff happens. Anyway, Red Monkey Hood gets to the cottage and finds the worm in Granny's bed.
The better to see you with, my dear. Excuse me. Actually, I don't have ears. You see, worms of the annelid family.
Just say the line.
The better to hear you with, my dear. The better to eat you with, my dear. Psst, cue the woodsman.
Right. I'll save you, Red Monkey Hood. I said I'd save you. I must you badger me. Now, worm, face the wrath of my woodman's axe.
No way.
Eat dirt, foul defiler of trees! Hey, this is my story.
Foolish evildoer. Virtue must triumph even in fiction.
I can't even beat that worm in my imagination! We're doomed, monkey. We shall perish in horrible agony! The end. Did you like your story? Good night.
Oh, yes. And now, back to Earthworm Jim.